Want to start using the Bath & Body Works shopping app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Bath & Body Works. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download the Bath & Body Works app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Bath & Body Works in the search bar. Tap Bath & Body Works when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start shopping the Bath & Body Works app. That's all it takes to download Bath & Body Works. Want to try out another online shopping app? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.